AMP Coin Price Prediction 2021. Will AMP Coin reach $1? Where to buy? Cryptocurrencies are the modern day and future money for all. This whole pandemic has introduced cryptocurrencies to the users in a whole different way. Coins are facing losses and struggling to survive the market. In between all this, it would be amazing to see how survives it. The big question is, will AMP Coin reach $1? Having awareness about your investment is very important. So if you want to know about AMP Coin Price Prediction 2021, you have reached the correct place. We understand that complicated market terms can make you panic, but here every detail is provided in very simple language, the language that an ordinary investor can easily get to. So let's begin and know everything about AMP Coin Price Prediction. What is AMP Coin cryptocurrency? Let's begin from basics and know more about AMP Coin cryptocurrency. So AMP Coin cryptocurrency is just like any other cryptocurrency. It is also based on Ethereum-based blockchain technology. It works as a platform for trusted transaction and payments. Biggest advantage of AMP Coin is that it guarantees your payment in case of error. This makes AMP so special. AMP is growing each day. That's AMP Coin Price Prediction is so positive and profitable. AMP has a supply of 42 billion coins trading. It has came into relationship with Flexa, Uniswap and Sushi. It has been able to expand really quick and efficiently. Will AMP Coin reach $1? Well, why not? AMP Coin has such huge potential in it, and in the speed with which it is growing. Surely yes. AMP is currently trading at a rate of 9 cents. This is not a bad price and is easy to buy. Coin cryptocurrency will surely reach $1 mark. Should you invest in AMP Coin cryptocurrency? Yes, one should surely invest in AMP Coin cryptocurrency. There are two major reasons regarding it. Let's discuss them. Easy to buy, nothing to lose. A coin which is trading below $1 is easy to handle. You can easily get in market without much investment. Low investment means low risk. So yes, one should surely invest. High profits. The AMP Coin price prediction potential is really high. It has done a pretty decent job in market. If it kept going such a way, it will at least give you 20 times profit. What else can one imagine other than this? AMP is an Ethereum-based digital token used as collateral to secure transactions and decentralize the risk of asset transfer in decentralized finance. The aim is to reduce the cost of interchange between counterparties in payment transactions and remove the likelihood of fraud. Users can stake AMP tokens to guarantee any form of financial exchange, such as digital payments, currency exchange, loan payments, and property sales. Regardless of the consensus mechanism, AMP's open-source platform allows developers to build applications that use collateral partitions and collateral managers to lock and unlock AMP to secure transfers and facilitate lending. According to the AMP website, the project introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. The partition framework subdivides balances within an Ethereum address and designates them for collateral. Collateral managers are given permission to work with specific partitions, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. Once the AMP token is staked to a partition, it can be used in pools to decentralize an asset transfer and reduce risk. Once a transfer is completed, it offers a simplified network reward system with built-in incentives that include distributions and compounding. AMP has a non-inflationary fixed total supply of 100 billion tokens, which rise in value as a direct result of their adoption. As new projects incorporate AMP, users benefit from the increase in decentralization and liquidity, which reduces volatility and inflation, and enhances the quality of the collateral. AMP secures Flexa payment network and expands reach. AMP was developed by merchant payment network Flexa and Ethereum blockchain software company Consensus. The token launched in September 2020, replacing its predecessor FlexaCoin, with the aim of also being used by projects other than Flexa. Flexa is designed to facilitate merchants to accept digital assets as payment. It offers native integration with existing point-of-sale systems and online sale platforms to enable merchants to accept digital payments while offering customers a typical checkout experience. AMP is the collateral that enables instant payments on Flexa. As of the 7th of June, users around the world had staked more than $1.2 billion in AMP to back Flexa payments. AMP is currently used as collateral for more than 25 digital assets. Investors in AMP include U.S. cryptocurrency fund Pantera Capital. In February, AMP was listed on Cream Finance, allowing holders to earn interest by staking the token. In April, the Cream community approved the use of AMP as collateral for loans of up to 45% of its value. AMP users can provide liquidity for decentralized exchange SushiSwap's automated market maker. Since April, they've been able to provide liquidity and borrow from SushiSwap's decentralized lending and margin trading product, Cashi. On the 10th of May, AMP was listed on Yield, a fixed-rate decentralized lending app that offers incentivized lending and borrowing. On the 12th of May, AMP launched its first upfront Flash staking offering, which allows users to stake the Flash cryptocurrency for a predetermined length of time and immediately earn AMP. At the end of the staking period, the user receives their full stake of Flash. What's AMP's price prediction for 2030? AMP's price has been climbing by an average of 130% per month in 2021. If it maintains that moment, it could finish the year at $3.53, implying a 6,300% upside to its current price. As AMP's price increases, its growth might slow. But even if AMP only gains 130% per year from now on, it could be worth $230 by 2030. To put that in perspective, someone putting $1,000 into AMP at the current price might have more than $4.2 million by the turn of the next decade. Is AMP a good investment? Many investors have made money with AMP. This year, the altcoin has gained about 800%, while the S&P 500 has gained just 16%. The most successful AMP investors are those who bought the dip some months ago. In Nov 2020, the crypto fell to what persists as its all-time low of $0. That plunge caused some investors to take off, but others stayed put and accumulated the cheap token. Those who bought the dip in AMP have seen their investment grow nearly 7,000%. Is it too late to invest in AMP? There's no guarantee that AMP will continue to deliver blockbuster returns. However, it's worth noting that, at its current price, AMP is more than 50% below its all-time high of 12 cents. Also, AMP's demand looks poised to increase as crypto payments grow popular with online and store merchants. The best way to buy AMP. If you like AMP's price prediction for 2030, you might want to add it to your portfolio. The good news is that the altcoin has broad exchange support. If you're buying with the US dollar, the best places to buy AMP are Coinbase and Gemini. For those looking to convert Bitcoin or Ethereum to AMP, the best platforms are Gate, Bittrex, and 1inch. AMP crypto price prediction in 2021. AMP crypto has become a major topic of conversation on social media. Whether it's on Twitter, Reddit, or Discord, crypto communities are leading the charge behind AMP's growth. Therefore, what is AMP crypto? It's a collateral token on the Ethereum blockchain. Specifically, AMP token is built on Ethereum and it's used to collateralize payments on the Flexa network. This enables crypto payments to become more secure and instant.